What's going on, everybody? My name is John. I'm one of the executives here with Real Academy, and I'm excited to share with you our platform. Before I do, I just want to share a little bit about myself. So I'm not a complete stranger. I'm from Chicago originally. Lived in Nashville for a little bit. I actually was involved in nightlife, so I was a professional partier back in my day. Fast forward, I got introduced to my very first business coach, and that's what changed everything for me. I got into the direct sales industry 9 years ago and didn't look back. I've been able to do very well for myself, to help a lot of people make a lot of money. And I don't share that to brag, boast, or impress you guys, but really just to impress upon you that we are doing something special here with Real Academy. We're merging the direct sales industry with the foreign exchange trading market, and we are going to dive right in. So with that being said, let's talk about what Forex is, okay? Forex is the largest financial platform in the world. It stands for foreign exchange, okay? So what is foreign exchange? Foreign exchange, let's just say you went from here to Mexico and you exchanged $1 for a peso. Well, congrats, that's foreign exchange. See, it's a $6.6 trillion a day industry. In comparison to the stock market, which is 196 billion, we know people that trade stock options. Forex is even bigger than that, and it's open 24/5, and you can make money from your cell phone learning how to trade currency pairs. So what's a currency pair? For example, Euro USD. See, we're either buying or we're selling, and we make money on both. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. For instance, if we buy Euro USD, we're essentially betting that the euro is going to go up in value. If we sell Euro USD, we are betting that the euro is going to drop in value, okay? So we are trading currency pairs. Let's take a look at what it looks like. See, the best part about Forex, guys, is that it's 100% pandemic and recession proof. What do I mean by that? See, we make money on buys and sells. We make money whether the market goes up or down. If we take a buy position and the market goes up, we get paid. If we take a sell position and the market drops, we also get paid. So the question is, how can you determine whether the market's going to go up or down? And that's what we have with Realize, guys, is a 3-step system that takes people from not knowing anything about trading to being a profitable and sufficient trader right away. And everything can be done on our mobile app, so you can learn on the go, or you can do it on a desktop as well. So here's step number 1. You're going to go through our video course. It's going to cover all of the basics, from the technical analysis, the psychology of the markets, and really just helping you understand how to read a chart, because you can look at a chart and not know what the heck is going on. So that's step 1. It takes people anywhere from 2 to 7 days to finish. Very simple to do. Step 2 is where the excitement kicks in. See, every single day, twice a day, London and New York session, we have live trading sessions with our educators, and all of which are documented 6, 7, and 8 figure traders. So you're learning from the best of the best. They're open format, so you can ask questions, right? So think about it. If you're on the court with Michael Jordan and you're able to ask him some questions, you're probably going to be a pretty good athlete, true or not. And that's what we have. And our students are learning so much faster because they're involved. They're really understanding why the market's moving how it does, asking the questions, the whole 9, and it's shaving off their learning curve. But the excitement happens because we call the trades live. Twice a day, our educators are calling the trades so you can make money while you're learning the skill set. See, you can get started today. Tomorrow, you can catch a trade and make money while you're learning this skill set. It's phenomenal, guys. If you don't know how to copy and paste, grab your nearest 4-year-old. They can teach you how to do it. So I want to share some of our real results that we've been able to achieve with Real Rise Academy. See, do we win 100% of the trades that we take? Of course not. Did Michael Jordan make 100% of the shots he took? Of course not, but he's still a phenomenal athlete. So these are the real results with Real Rise the first week of 2022. Take a look in the top right corner. -1. The first trade we took of the year, we lost, guys. We lost. The second trade we took, +3. So the net is +2, okay? The next 2 trades we took are -1, -1. So we're back at 0. The next trade we took, +4.6. We're up. The next trade we took, -1. We're down 3.6 now. Next trade, 11.3. Now we're up 14.9%. See, by the end of the week, take a look at the bottom, 30.6%. We're up 30.6%. So what does that mean? Guys, you're going to get excited. See, it doesn't take a lot of money to make money here. If you'd have risked $10, we all have $10. If you'd have risked $10, you'd have turned that into $300 that week. If you would have risked $100, you'd have made $3,000 that week. Now, if you would have risked $1,000, you would have made $30,000 that week catching our trades that we called live. It's absolutely phenomenal. So the question isn't, does this work? It works. The question now becomes, how can you leverage more money to go out there and make more money? And that's what we have. That's the third and final step with RealRise. Our X factor is that we teach our students how to get funded. We use FTMO.com. There's a few others out there. FTMO has been one of the fastest growing companies since 2019, been on Forbes, everything else. They say if you pass our challenge, we'll fund you anywhere from 10 to 200 grand. We know what the test is. It's grow an account 10% without losing 10%. And you can actually copy the trades of our educators to actually pass it. So the catch is you have to pass the test. Number two, you can't take that 100 or 200 grand and put it into your pocket, and you're only making money on the gains. Right now it's 70-30, and sometimes they're 80-20 or 90-10, depending on where you get involved and what you do. But the reality is this: you're making money using OPM, other people's money. So what's better? You putting in $1,000 of your own money, or you having 20 to 40% of other people's money, and now you're really making some serious money, because the average trader, they make 20 to 40% of what's in their account. So if you have $100,000 in your account, 20 to 40%, that's $20 to $40,000 per month leveraging other people's money, guys. It's absolutely phenomenal, and we can show you exactly how to do it. Here's some of our students, $3,300 for the day, $999 for the day, $1,300 for the day, $2,000 for the day. And guys, the list goes on, and we can show you how to do it and get the exact same results. So at the end of the day, what are you paying for? The education itself, it's $247 one time. It's $197 per month after. But here's the best part: you can literally refer 3 people, and it's entirely free. So you can get started now, refer 3 people in the next 30 days, focus on growing and scaling your account, and you don't have to put another dollar back into the education, guys. You can focus on making some money with us. But the best part, and I want you to stay tuned for the next 4 or 5 minutes, is that there's a compensation plan attached to our education. We want to, it's optional, but we want to share it with you, because my partners and I have been able to, number one, make really good money in this space and help dozens and dozens and dozens of people make 6 figures in this space as well. And we can show you how to do the exact same thing. See, we're in the referral business. We're no different than all of these major companies. Regions, now take a look. Last updated January 28th, 2022. They will pay you to refer people to banks now, right? Uber has the same thing. Cash App has the same thing. We're no different. So you can refer people to RealRise, share the mobile app with them, share the compensation plan with them, and get paid serious dollars, guys. Here's what it looks like. Take a look at BP1000. 25 referrals. That's $1,000 a month. Month after month, year after year, for doing work one time. See, we connect people one time and get paid for a lifetime. Now, I know $1,000 a month might not seem like a lot of money, but the reality is this: it's residual, okay? It's residual. How many of you have residual bills, but not residual income? Cell phone, TV, gas, electric, rent, mortgage, whatever it may be, right? See, just get the passive side to cover your living expenses, so everything you do, trading, is 100% profit. But take a look at Exec 10. See, our goal is to get you to Exec 10 and beyond, where you're making 10, 25, 50 grand a month in the comp plan alone. And our comp plan goes all the way up to $1 million a month. Think about this. That's only 50,000 students. We all know people on Instagram, influencers, everything else that have 50,000, 100,000, a million plus followers. Think about if you get somebody like that involved, and now they have 50,000 active students. That's $1 million a month. Guys, we have one of the most lucrative compensation plans in the direct sales industry. Not only that, we give you additional bonuses, infinity bonuses, which is a percentage of sales, more residual income. We also have rank bonuses. So we celebrate when you hit ranks by giving you bonuses from $500 to $1 million one-time rank bonuses. And guess what? Here's the best part. The education, like I said, is $247, okay? For only $50 more, you get the entire comp plan, and we help you do it. We're going to grab you by the hand and help you make your first few $1,000s in the markets. We're going to help you make your first few $1,000s in the comp plan and set goals based on what it is that you want to achieve. And that's what we have, guys. It's absolutely phenomenal. We are changing the game. So look, you don't have to worry about knowing everything. You're going to learn as you go. You're going to make money as you go, catching the trades of our educators. So you don't have to worry about having the time, because this isn't your time making money. This is your money making money. It's very different. Forex has been around for 500 years, guys. It's very easy to believe in an industry that it's that old and it's been around for that long. The question is, do you believe in you? Can you copy the exact same game plan? So with that being said, all we ask is that you just get back with the person who invited you and share this video with you and let them know which category you fall into. If you're A, ready to rock and roll, let's get you started. B, you like it, but have some questions, great. We'd be happy to hop on a phone call with you and answer them. Or category C, it's not for you, no big deal. You could drop a post, put up an Instagram story, and support the friend who invited you. But with that being said, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Just make a decision, and I will see you guys at the top. Take care and have a great day.